I started selling physical products on Amazon about 2 weeks ago, and in this video, I'm going to reveal my results. Watch this entire video if you want to learn how much money I've made, if I made any, after 2 weeks of selling on Amazon. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. So as I mentioned, I started officially selling on Amazon about 2 weeks ago. However, this Amazon FBA journey started way back in the summer. I had seen a lot of people talking about the success that they had through Amazon FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, going the private label route. And so I figured, why not give it a test? Now, just to clear up some things, let's talk about what Amazon FBA and private label mean so that we're all on the same page. Now, basically with Amazon FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, you are going to send products over to Amazon, and Amazon's going to do the shipping and the fulfillment for you. They're also going to take care of their taxes. You just need to go in and configure your pricing and run ads if you need to. Now, there are 3 different types of Amazon FBA people. There's wholesale, there's private label, which is what I do, and there is basically retail arbitrage. Now, I'm not going to go into the definitions of the other ones, but what I do is called private label. Basically, I source products from one location, mainly China. I will put my brand on it, and then I will sell it over on Amazon. Now, the benefit of this is I can buy it in bulk for a cheaper price and then sell it more expensive over here on Amazon. And once again, Amazon takes care of everything. So basically what I had to do is I had to negotiate with suppliers. I had to figure out the best pricing with regard to shipping, the charges that Amazon charges, the manufacturer fees. I had to negotiate and figure out all of that pricing so that I could actually make money. Now, I currently sell my product for $25.99. I intend to raise the price a little bit as I get more reviews and get more buyers. But as a brand new seller that has no track record of selling, that has no reviews, I need to kind of lower my prices just to get my foot into the door. And so the product will probably be sold for about $30 to $34 right now. I'm selling it at $25 with the hopes of raising it. So let's go ahead and talk about the process. My products, although I ordered them about 60 days ago, maybe 70 days ago at this point, they take 35 days to be shipped on a boat from China to the Amazon port. It takes 30 days for them to make the products. And so when you factor that in, they actually got delivered. They were checked in on October 17th, but they weren't really available to sell until about a week later because they've got to be checked in, they've got to be verified. They have to verify that the information that I gave Amazon is correct. So even though they're checked in, they're not all in one place. One of the biggest benefits of Amazon FBA is the 2-day shipping that Amazon can guarantee. Because all of the products are at one location, they have to be dispersed to the different Amazon warehouses throughout the country. And so it's a lot of hurry up and wait, quite honestly. You've got to wait for the product to be made over in China. You've got to wait for the product to be shipped on a boat to the United States. It has to go through customs and checking, and then it's got to be checked in by Amazon. Once it's checked in by Amazon, then it has to be sent to all of the different Amazon warehouses. I can confidently say that for the most part, all of my products have been checked in as of November 3rd. All of that's important to figure out how much money you can make, the timing of things, why it feels like it's taking forever. And before I continue, if you want to learn more about my Amazon FBA journey, check out my Amazon FBA channel. I'll link it in the description, and you can see more of my content, which I'll be uploading more frequently as I have more stuff to talk about. So anyway, it was sent over. It's finally checked in. It's in the process of the shipment being closed once they verify all of the information. Now, again, the biggest benefit of Amazon is the largest e-commerce website in the world. People come to Amazon because they're searching for a solution. Again, if you want to make money online, you just have to link problems to solutions and you can make money. They have the 2-day shipping, but the drawback is I've got no reviews, I've got no credibility, and nobody really wants to be that first test dummy. So now that you have all that background out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about potentially how much money I've made. Now, the way that I've been getting people to purchase is simply with paid ads. There are a few different types of paid ads that you can run. These are auto campaigns where Amazon will pick the keywords based on the keywords that you've entered in for your main product. There are manual campaigns where you select the targeting. And then there's actually different ads that you can run against your competitors. For example, let's say you're searching a camera. There'll also be a sponsored post that is somewhere around there where that's an ad that somebody is running in hopes of stealing some of the sales away from the original poster. So there are 3 types of ads that I've been running, and I've been running those consistently for less than a week. And let's go ahead, without further ado, let's talk about how much money I've spent and how much money I've made. All right, so if we take a look at this screen here, a lot of it is going to be blurred out because quite frankly, I don't want you to see what I'm selling. I have spent since October 23rd, when my stuff became available, I have spent $160.33. I've generated over 20,000 impressions, almost 21,000 impressions. And basically an impression is when you just show up on the web page in front of a consumer. And you're only charged with Amazon, you only charge cost per click. So anytime someone clicks, you got to pay. You don't pay per impression, you pay for a click. Facebook, you pay per impression. With Google and YouTube and in Amazon, you pay per click. As you can see, I've generated 108 clicks and my advertising cost of goods sold is 61.69%, which is a number that I would like to get down just a little bit. So you can see how much I've spent thus far. The one thing that I want to point out is not all of my sales have come from ads. Some of them have come from organic conversions as well, which is a pretty cool thing to let me know that I've got a decent product, or at least decent images of my product, and people are seeing it, they are feeling comfortable buying it. So without further ado, no more delaying, let's go ahead and talk about how much money I've made with Amazon since really October 23rd, give or take a week. I have had a total of 17 items ordered. As you can see, I've made $391.85. Average one order, because this isn't something that people buy in bulk usually. And the average sale is $23.05. Now you might be wondering why that difference is. I did have one return and I'm not sure why the person returned it. They don't give good information on that. And so $391, and so far I have only spent $160. That is a pretty good return on investment. So far I'm satisfied with what I'm seeing on Amazon. I am having about a 2-to-1. So every dollar I spend, I'm getting 2 back, which is a good number. Now, one thing that I want to improve is my advertising cost of goods sold. One way that I can do that is by removing the keywords that aren't getting clicks or sales. Now, what I will probably do is I'll wait maybe a week or 2 before I take that action, because you never know what happens the next week. But that number is the difference between all of the fees, the shipping, all of that stuff, and your profit. So that's usually a percent there. You want 30, 40% or higher. But as you can see right now, Amazon is working. I was pleasantly surprised at how quick I actually started making money. Am I profitable yet? No, because it costs money for purchasing the products and the shipping, but this is a good sign. Again, if you want to learn more about my Amazon FBA journey, go ahead and check out my other channel. I think it's called Alston's FBA Journey. Real simple, real creative, but this is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool sign of success. As long as I keep going, as long as I learn more and I start doing things that are going to actually put money in my pocket. Now that you have learned about my Amazon FBA journey, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.